In this guide, I will show you process of setting up your EnGenius ENH1350 as a standard Wi-Fi access point. This will take your existing wired network and broadcast a strong, reliable Wi-Fi signal. Let's get started. Step 1. Hardware setup. First, let's connect EnGenius Access Point to power adapter and PC. Take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to the LAN port on the ENH1350. Then, connect the other end to PoE injector PoE out port. Now take another Ethernet cable and connect one end to PoE injector LAN port and other end to PC or laptop LAN port. Step 2. PC or laptop LAN IP configuration. As EnGenius ENH1350 is access point and does not support DHCP, so we need to add manual IP address from same series of default IP address. Go to Network Settings from your Windows or Mac laptop or PC. Right-click on Ethernet adapter and go to Properties. Then go to Internet Protocol version 4. Now select Use the following IP address. EnGenius default IP 192.168.1.1. Give IP address 192.168.1.10 and press OK button to save settings. Step 3. Access EnGenius Web Interface. Open web browser and access 192.168.1.1. You will get login page asking for a username and password. The default credentials are admin for username and password. For security, the system might prompt you to change the admin password immediately. You can change login password later. Step 4. Change wireless SSID and password. Now, from the left side menu go to wireless option under network settings. Select your country first. Now scroll down page. Here you will get wireless settings. To change SSID and password, press edit button. Now change SSID name for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless band. Scroll down to the security settings. Select security mode first. Strongly recommend using WPA2, PSK, AES, or WPA3. In the pre-shared key or password field, create a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network. Double-check all your settings. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Save button. Then you will get a pop-up asking to apply settings. Press Apply button to save configurations. After the reboot, your ENH1350 is now a fully functioning access point. Take your phone or laptop, scan for Wi-Fi networks, and you should see the new SSID you just created. Connect to it using the password you set, and you're online. That's it. You've successfully set up your EnGenius ENH1350 as a Wi-Fi access point. If this guide helped you to set up your access point, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.